Guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing earring series episode number 6 out of the 8, and I'm going to be using the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club for this one. The beads, if you're not familiar with it, I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2 Whole Beads of the Month. And you can use my coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off on your order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single one, and they also have double ones for $39.95 per month. They also have quite a few other Beads of the Month Club subscriptions to choose from, so check out their website below. Today I'm using the April 2 Whole Beads of the Month Club, the Swallowtail Caterpillar. And this, I'm using the CAB06. This is the Jet Hematite 2 Whole Cab. And then the WAV37, and this is the Crystal Full Amber Wave. And then I'm using some of my Beadle on Wildfire, the black, and a number 10 beading needle. And then I'm also using some 3mm fire polish beads that are kind of like a smoky color. They do have a little bit of an AB finish to them as well. And then I'm using some of my number 10 check seed beads, just black seed beads. So this has 3 different loops on it. So we're starting out with the Crystal Full Amber Wave beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then there's a 3mm fire polish bead in between, and you want all of these to go the same way. So whichever way you want to go, like I'm starting out with it with a little curve that way. So you want it to keep going that way. So I'm going to do 1, and then this, and then we wanted to do 1 again. 2, and just kind of pick them up to make sure that they're going the same way. And 3, 4, come on, 5, okay, that's 5. Let me make sure they're all going the right way. There you go. 6, and then 7. Okay, so here I have 7, and then I do 1 more of the fire polish beads. So here I have the first one. So I have about a wingspan of thread. Now you can, if you want, leave it a little longer of a tail and then rethread that through. I don't usually do that with earrings, just because I go back through twice and I do 2 knots. So that was the first knot, and then I'm doing a surgeon's knot or double knot for the second one. But you want to make sure that you get it over the same knot, because sometimes it'll get wrapped around a bead and then you're in big trouble. So then I'm going to take this and I'm going to go through it one more time, and I'm going to all of these. Go through. I'm left-handed, so this thread always gets caught on my corner of my mat. Okay. So here's this. So now I come up through here. I don't want to cross that over. So I have this. So now I'm going to tie another knot. So I do one, and then I do a double one. 1 and 2. And then that's when I'll take my bent chain nose pliers or something that's handy, go around there, and then I will, let me get that off, I will cut this. So, okay, so now, let's see. So we have these going this way. So now we're gonna jump up to the second one, and I'm gonna do the bottom hole of the cab in between each one. So let's go through here. Like that, and then we're gonna jump up. Go like that. Okay, so now, let me see here. Okay, so now I have these. Bring these down. So now I want to just grab the bottom hole and put it through here like that. So if you see, there's just that in between. So now we just keep going. Hold on 1 second. There we go. It didn't have a hole all the way through. 2. 3. 4, and make sure that all the cabs are going the same way, or you're gonna have to undo them. Okay, so then I just kind of go to, yeah, do 5, like that, and 6, there we go, 6, and then the last one, 7. And then I'm going to go through all of the holes again, just because I want to make sure that they're okay. We're just going to go through all of them. I don't want it to bend though, you know, pucker or anything. So keep going around. Let me put my stuff. And keep going around. Kind of feel it starting to tighten up then as you're doing it. Look how cute that's looking. Look at the cute pair of earrings. And they look like they would be hard to make, but they're not. Okay, so here we are right here. So now I'm going to go and just do a knot. Just bring that, and then I'm going to go in, do a couple more. 1 and 2. Okay, so here I have this. So now third row is going to be, or at the top, we're going to do a seed bead and a fire polish bead in between the holes of the caps. So here I have this. So now I'm going to go through here, and then I'm going to turn this around because it won't matter which way these are going. I'm going to jump up, and I'm going to, because I'm going backwards, I'm going to be doing, in between them, I'm going to be doing a fire polish bead and then a seed bead. And then go to the next tap hole, and then a fire polish bead and a seed bead. Go all the way around. And the fire polish. So you just have to make sure that when you have beads that are facing a certain way, that you get them all going that same way, or you will have to undo it. And that's not fun. So I'm doing another fire polish and a seed bead. Like that. Fire polish, seed bead. Let me get this out of the way. Okay. Couple more. Fire polish, seed bead. And the last one, fire polish, seed bead. And I'm going to go through there. Okay, so now I have all these done. So now we're going to have 8 of the 10 O's, the 10 O seed beads going around one of these caps. So I'm going to go through, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up, because I'm going to do the top part of it right here, and then I'm going to go around, so that will be even more secure. So I'm going to grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I'm going to go down through the cab again and come out the other way. And do that. Now I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to come out. I'm going to go through these again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. And make sure when you're doing this that you're bringing the thread all the way down. 7, 8. And then I'm going to go through the cab again. The top. And then I'm going to continue on. So I bring my, one thing I do is I bring my little round nose pliers and kind of bring it like that to open that up like that. Yeah, now I'm just going to go through and finish going through all of these top ones, this top row. It's such an easy earring, but it looks difficult. And they're so much fun to work with and make. I love doing these. Okay. So here's this. So now I'm going to do this. Now I'm going to do one knot here. Now make sure that it goes all the way where it's supposed to go. And then I'm going to go through up here. I'm going to do a surgeon's knot here. 1, 2. And make sure that goes all the way down in there. We'll pull that a little bit. then I'm going to keep going through here. A couple more like this before I cut it. And then maybe go through these. Look how pretty this looks. You gotta admit, this is a really pretty earring. Okay. So here we have this. Now I'm gonna take this and cut it. Okay. And I'm taking my black ear wire, opening that up. Now you wanna make sure the black ear wire that it's laying this way. See, so when whoever wears these earrings, that the caps will be hanging the right way. So you want to put it through here, and then you also want to make sure that it's in between each one of the fours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that it's even. There we go. Sure, and there we go. And like I said, I will take my round nose pliers and just pop that in, give that nice little pop. Look how pretty these earrings are. Aren't they cute? Make a great gift. Just, I'm trying to do 8 of these tutorials just to show you how you can kind of use up beads in your stash, or from your bead boxes. So I hope you enjoyed this. This was episode number 6. Like I said, using the Adornable Elements Swallowtail Caterpillar 2-hole bead of the month club for April of 2024. And if you use my coupon code BNJewelry10, you can save 10% off your first order with them. I highly suggest that you go check out their website. I will leave the link below. They have the most beautiful, unique pieces of beading and everything. So, yes. And also I will leave links to my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Have a great day.